let me show you how to wholesale on Amazon. That's probably the easiest thing to do. So let me show you. Somebody give me a product category. Just type in the question area. I'll slurp my tea. A product category on Amazon. Then we'll go and find a supplier, and I'll kind of talk you through how we do it. All right. All right, fantastic. That's awesome stuff. Let's just choose one. Let's choose Anthony's homewares. Okay, cool. So let's go to Google and let's go and find, and I'll show you how this works. So what you want to do is, first thing you've got to do is you've got to find a supplier. Now, you will hear people talking all the time about drop shipping, and I'm going to tell you it's a shit business model. It's crap. Do not do it. It sucks. All right. If you're thinking about drop shipping, wholesale instead. Wholesale is much smarter way of doing it. You get all the advantages of drop shipping, i.e. there's low startup costs, very easy to get into it, etc., without any of the bad things of drop shipping, which is other people control your listing, other people control your reviews on your web, on your listing, etc. This is all sucky things about drop shipping. But wholesaling, it's yours, it's your product, you're building something that you own, which is cool. All right, so Anthony said homeware. So let's go find homeware. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to search for trade shows for homewares, and then obviously we're going to go find them in Australia, so we're going to do that. Trade shows for homewares in Australia. And now we've got lots and lots of different trade shows that we can go after, okay? So let's do this one, just because it's middle for diddle. So the Reed Gift Fair is a big, I assume, place where they do trade shows all around Australia by the looks of it, well certainly Sydney and Melbourne, for the homewares industry. So let's just have a look at this first one, which is coming up in February, so beginning of February next year. All right, so we're on their website, all very good. Now we're going to look at the exhibitor directory. Let me just paint a picture for you. These are people who are manufacturing or are buying their product in from China, and they're wanting to sell, usually business to business. So they're looking for people like you to sell their products for them. They don't want to sell B2C, business to consumer. Instead, they're looking to sell business to business so that you can do the distribution of their product, while they can focus on being product creators, manufacturers, whatever it might be. That's an important distinction. All right, very important distinction. So we've got 180 potential people we can go and research now and go and find out all about them. All right, so let's go see if we can find some stuff. Well, let's just use these. All seasons homeware. All right, so I'm just going to click on those. So this is one of the people who are going to be one of the 180 different people who are exhibiting at this trade show, and there are hundreds of trade shows in Australia, so there's no shortage of people to go buy from. Typically what you'll see on here, of course we don't have it, which is a pain in the butt. Oh, maybe we do. Oh, there it is. So I was going to say there's no URL to link to their company website, but there it is. So typically what you have is a link to their website, so you can go and check out their stock, and that's really cool. So we're going to open that one up, and then what we're also going to do as well is we're going to copy and paste that, and we're going to go Google them as well. Search Google for them. So here they are. So there's their website, which we're already opening up, but let's go and look at their Facebook page too. So these are people that sell, I don't know what they sell yet, we're just about to find out, but they sell things that are related to homewares, and they are looking for people like us to sell those products for them directly. Now, their website sucks. They haven't even set it up properly. This is why these people don't know how to sell direct to consumer, because they can't even get simple things like their website set up properly, which is kind of weird. But here's their Facebook page, and they sell scented candles, and I bet they sell other things. They're based in Liverpool in New South Wales. I bet they sell other things too. So scented candles, FYI, I'm gonna stick my neck out and say heaps of people will search for scented candles, and particularly in the run-up to Christmas, which we're in now, heaps of people are going to be looking for scented candles to buy as Christmas gifts. So here we go. Scented candles. Survey says 131,000 searches per month on Amazon.com.au. So now you've got a supplier that wants to sell their product to you. You've got a marketplace of people on Amazon.com.au that wants to buy said product. And so what you're doing now is contacting them, doing your order, getting the product, etc., etc. So wholesale is a bloody brilliant way of doing things on Amazon. It's a very, very good way to get yourself up and running. And I think it kicks ass over drop shipping, because you then get to control everything that happens on your own listing, yada, yada, yada. It's much, much better. Please don't drop ship. It's terrible. Instead, go wholesaling. So, Suzanne and Shamran, I hope that helps. Anybody who wants to learn how to do that at a more advanced level, you're welcome to come to the AOE area and click on Amazon Wholesale Training, and I've got a course, because I love wholesale, all about wholesaling on Amazon that goes into that in much, much deeper, as well as giving you lots of ideas for what to sell and how to contact your suppliers, etc., etc. You know how it works. So if you're interested in that, go get the wholesaling course. It's bloody brilliant. We've had a lot of good feedback from it. I have never, ever understood when I hear people say they don't know what to sell on Amazon. Man, oh man, oh man, I've just never ever understood that. There is so much demand on Amazon, it just beggars belief for me. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.